heads and representatives of the tourism industry, members of the diplomatic corps, representatives from government bodies and corporate bodies, NGOs and friends, ladies and gentlemen, and children, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. Today is special as I launch the inaugural World Tourism Day celebration during my tenure as the Minister for Tourism, and I'm delighted to share this special occasion with you all. Ladies and gentlemen, World Tourism Day was initiated by the United Nations World Tourism Organization in 1970. It has since become an annual event that is celebrated worldwide with a theme to create global awareness on the importance of tourism and its impact on the social, cultural, political, and economic values worldwide. The theme for this year is Tourism for All, promoting universal accessibility, which is exactly what our Fijian government strives to achieve through its 2013 Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, our Constitution empowers every Fijian citizen with the right to equally access services such as education, employment, health, and tourism, to name a few. Accessibility in tourism is an ongoing effort involving all parties in the tourism value chain, so that tourist destinations, products, and services are made available to all, regardless of communication and transport accessibility and physical limitation and age. The Fijian government, through the ministry, is implementing a number of initiatives, one of which is the development of the Fijian Tourism Development Plan. And the plan will ensure that all relevant stakeholders have access to information which will effectively guide the sustainable development of our tourism industry. Accessibility to tourism offerings through increased transportation links between both domestic and international, and to improve access to infrastructure, address human resources, development needs, increase value of tourism products, and provide investment enablers and promote environmental sustainability, to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government also recognizes the importance of having accurate and updated tourism data that is accessible to all stakeholders of the industry. Therefore, my ministry is currently conducting consultations on the Hotel Data Collection System initiative, which aims to provide a centralized reporting facility for all the hotel properties, and also to modernize the existing data collection methods, and also provide government and stakeholders and the tourism industry with close to real-time tourism data to facilitate sound planning and decision-making. In addition, we will also be releasing the 2014 International Visitor Survey Report that will assist the industry greatly in better understanding visitor perception and their expectation of Fiji. As a result, the industry would be then able to make future improvements to the current services provided by the tourism industry. Furthermore, the Fijian government is empowering the small and medium business operators by providing grants for startup or to expand existing businesses. This will provide a level playing field so that no one is left behind, and that the necessary support is provided to the SME sector, which are predominantly locally owned and managed. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to remind everyone of how teamwork and collective effort has made the tourism industry excel. When the world thought Fiji was brought to its knees following Cyclone Winston, the industry partnered with government to ensure that businesses continued regardless. The Tourism Action Group ensured that our visitor numbers did not decline. And today the numbers are a clear indication of the excellent work of the industry. The Fijian government, right from the outset, has set an ambitious target of creating a $2 billion industry by 2020. And our vision is to encourage innovation, new investment, and effective collaboration between the government and the private sector. To achieve this vision, we need to have in place marketing strategies that are focused, result-oriented, and measurable. We are having new market opportunities opening up with the introduction of the Singapore and San Francisco flights. Fiji has positioned itself highly in a competitive global tourism market, and the Fijian government will continue to invest in its marketing arm, Tourism Fiji. Tourism Fiji held its industry day last week, sharing with the industry its marketing plans for the new year. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have a new chairman and a new CEO at the helm of Tourism Fiji, Mr. Andre Philhan and Mr. Matthew Stockel. and we will draw from their experience and knowledge of the industry to help elevate our marketing efforts and to ensure returns on government's investments. The continued support from all the industry stakeholders towards this vision and the marketing efforts of our marketing arm will most certainly ensure that our marketing strategies are effectively and efficiently implemented, reaping the targeted returns. For the first 8 months of this year, we saw a total of 511,760 visitors, compared to 488,343 for the same period last year, which is a 4.8% increase. And the earnings for quarter 1, 2016 is 340.9 million, which is a 9.7% increase compared to 2015. Also, ladies and gentlemen, in 2015 we received a record of Fijian $1.6 billion in tourism earnings compared to 1.4 billion in 2014, representing a growth of about 11%. Such encouraging and impressive results depict the hard work and endless effort put in by those in the industry. And you are the people that make this industry, and it is through your continued excellent services and quality products that make Fiji the ideal destination for tourists. This mammoth achievement deserves accolades and appreciation, but we should not rest on our laurels. The same momentum should be maintained, and I'm confident that the industry will continue to excel, not only as Fiji's best industry, but also as the trendsetter for the region. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, this morning's event, I challenge the industry to align itself with the 2016 World Tourism Day theme, that is tourism for all, promoting universal accessibility. We must ensure that services provided by our tourism industry is accessible to all, regardless of location, transport and communication accessibility, age and physical limitation. This is an opportune time for us also to raise awareness on the importance of tourism and its contributions to the nation. The Fijian government acknowledges your commitment and urges you to maintain the confidence you have in Fiji and continue the hard work that you're all doing to keep the industry buoyant, robust, innovative, and creative. So ladies and gentlemen, have a happy World Tourism Day to all of you. Binaka Vakalevu, and thank you very much.